guys to another episode of Diamond Art with Big B. Today we're going to get my kit set up. And I guess we can get into this. Let's do this. Okay guys, we're going to start cutting these off. That's the first one. And just basically doing one of them at a time. Get your case out. Open up number one. Get it sturdy. Make sure you get all your gems. I'm going to try to snip off a corner of this and see if we can get a decent pour without wasting them all over the place. I think we can. Oops, I might have wasted some. I'm not sure. I don't think I wasted any. I think I got them pretty well in here. Couple stragglers. There we go. I got them. And there's one here. And if you press down, you can pick it up with your finger. Shut it. Boom. It's in there. Make sure that's the first one. Open up the next container. Cut off the next one. Okay, come on. Snip off the corner and pour. And I'm going to just keep on doing this to all the rest of the colors. And y'all can watch me. Okay. Okay, the case is closed. Nice and sturdy. I'm going to put it in here and take the next case. And we're going to start with the first one. Snip, snip, snip. Yeah, this could be time consuming, guys. Especially if it was a bigger picture. I would probably have to speed this video up.
Come on, y'all, put your hands together.
Digging down deep. We're gonna get you.
Come on, y'all, put your hands together.
Move ya. That's right. Sing it, girl.
Come on, y'all, put your hands together. Come on, y'all, put your hands together.
Call it. Call fire department. Call them. Yeah.
y'all put your hands together.
Ready for the fire. Come on, I'm willing and I'm ready. Yes. Nigga.
Come on, y'all put your hands together.
I'm willing and I'm ready. No.
Come on, y'all put your hands together. Come on, y'all put your hands together.
What? Here we go. We're gonna run it like this. Move, yeah. Sweat.
Come on, y'all put your hands together.
All right, guys, we are done with the tray, and this is what it would look like when you get done with the tray. All your diamonds would be in your tray, and then all the diamonds you're going to use. So that's done. Now, I'm pretty sure you've seen that in this, when I speeded it up, I was using the tray at the end. Somebody had just reminded me to see if it, and I wanted to see if it worked better than me just pouring the diamonds in there with the out of the bags or using the tray. And the tray actually worked a lot better. I still dropped some, guys. Like I said, I'm still new at this, but it wasn't bad. Little spillage here and there, but actually they poured in a lot better with the tray. So just one tip I wanted to share with you. And another thing that I'm going to do is I also ended up with 2 bags of 310s. This one's open, so I'm going to pour the rest of these into a baggie, just so I have them and know where they're at and they're safe and not in this regular bag that they came in with a hole in it. So I'm going to, which maybe I should, nah, I'm thinking about pouring these in a tray too and doing that. I think I will do that. I'm going to pour them in a tray, just like I did before. Maybe too many. Maybe a little too many. But you get the gist of this, right? Nah, that was too many. Sorry, guys. That was my failure to communicate. Okay, I didn't communicate with the beads well enough. Cut is over. We're back. I decided to put them in a bigger bag, guys, since that little bag was giving me so many problems. So these are the rest of them. So I'm going to use these up first, as I said, and then open this other bag up, and we're probably going to do the same thing with it. And then I also had some blues that were left, and these are 820s that I had some more of them. So I'm going to also put them in a baggie. Now, I'm pretty sure this little baggie can hold them. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to try this again, but with the blue ones, guys. Like I said, I'm thinking I can do this, and I sure can. Actually, I take that back. For the baggies, it was easier to do it by pouring them in this little bag, guys. So, and we're done. And so here's the extra blue ones I have that I have to use. Oh, I need that. Keep that sticker. I made that personally for this bag, for that one. I know these are 310s. I know them are 310s, so I'm just going to set them to the side. Don't need them. And okay, so you take the diamond from the case and you place it onto the canvas on this pink K, and you fill all those K's up. Then you go to the purple, and the purple has a 2 in it, and you match that up with the purple 2 here, and then there's another 2 that matches up with the 2 on the case, and so on and so forth and so forth and so forth. And that is the basic process of all diamond art. All right, guys, well, I think we're going to end it here. And the next episode will be painting. So I want everybody to stay happy, be safe, and have love. Bye.